Oh snap! It's time to draw the winners, guys. I've laid out everything on this table here, and if you see a S, it's going to go to a subscriber. If you see a C, it's going to go because you commented it. Because I like to do things old school, the subscribers I'm going to draw out of a box. I've cut up all of our subscribers and put them into a box and cut it up, and it took an hour or so, but it was worth it because I like going old school. We might not be able to do that too much longer, but for the time being, we're going to do it. So this is a preview of what's going out today. I'm going to draw the subscribers first, and then I'm going to do the commenters second with a random commenter picker. So there's the preview. It is time. It's time to figure out who's going to win all this stuff. As I said before, only one winner a day today. So whatever you win first, that's what you win. I want to try to spread it around to as many people as we can, but guess what? We're going to give a special birthday wish to Charles M. in Florida. Hey, Charles, you got a box coming, buddy. Wheel Collectors wishes you the best for the weekend and for next week. We're going to send you a box, so be looking for it in the mail. Here we go. Without further ado, we got round one. We've got the Forza Motorsport set going out to a subscriber. I've got a special helper here today. Why don't you reach down in there and grab something out for the Forza. All right, let's see what this says here. Monster Pop Hunter. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. You have won the Forza set. Congratulations, Monster Pop Hunter. Number two is the Gran Turismo black carded set. Right there. It's got the 6 Skyline. It's got the orange Lambo. This thing's getting hard to find. All right, special helper. Get something out of there. Okay, next time you're gonna have to go a little bit dark, deeper in the box there. Here we go. Caesar, you just won Gran Turismo Walmart only black carded set. Congratulations, buddy. Hope you enjoy that thing. The next was Car Culture L case. Right here. Car Culture L Street Tuners going to a subscriber. Reach down deep in that box. Let's see who won this. Criminal 164th. Guess what? You have stolen the Street Tuners set. Congratulations, man. The next set up for grabs after Street Tuners was we had the white carded Gran Turismo box, which is also getting hard to find. Super cool set. Another subscriber gonna win that one. You gotta reach down deeper in there, bro. You get them all off the top. We're gonna go deeper in the box for the next couple. Rob and Nico's Corner. Guess what? You got a white carded set coming to you. Congratulations. The next winner, or the next round, was, let's see here, the Zamac 8-car set. It's a little unwieldy, guys, dealing with this many cars. You saw the table pictures. So the Zamac set's going to go to another subscriber. Get down, yeah, now you're cooking, now you're cooking. Now you're cooking. Let's see who this is. Mike Roundolph. There you go, Zamax. You're a winner. Come on down. Zamax going to Mike. The next set was the orange carded Cool Classics. And like I told you before, this was one of my favorite ones to open. It was from 2013. Datsun heavy and got some Ford Mustangs in there. Yeah, there you go. Now we're cooking. I like it. I like it. Turbo Seth. Come on down and get your Cool Classics. Good job, man. Thank you for entering. Thank you guys for subscribing. We're going to see who the next winner is. The next person gets a complete set of cargo with the impossible to find sun again now. Okay, let's figure out who wins the cargo set. Who is it? Silver Bull. That's a cool name. I like it. Silver Bull, you got a cargo set. Congratulations. Okay. Let's see here. There's two more subscriber winners. The incredible, brand new, just this week, bonus video, Fast and Furious. Going to subscriber. Fast and Furious set number 1. Who's going to get it? Let's see here. Lars Weatherby. What is that? It's a koala. Lars Weatherby. Congratulations, man. You got the Fast and Furious set that everybody's dying for. Super hot set. Then the second bonus video was the Skyline GTR and Aerolift with the Porsche Team Transport. This is the last subscriber winner. Who is it? Who is it? Alex Toro 2000. Congratulations, Alex. You have won the Team Transport. You're the last subscriber winner. We're going to transfer over to our random comment picker to figure out who is going to win from the commenters for the rest of the things. Here we go. Oh, yes. This is the second part. This is where we find out who commented. I have 10 random comment pickers up for the sets. Let's see who's going to win these. The first set up is the Forza commenter. Let's see who's going to get it. Let's see there. The winner is Intoy. Pretty sweet cars, and he loves the Camaro. What's the comment from Intoy? There you go, buddy. Nice job. The next one here is the remainder of the black carded Gran Turismo. So we're going to see who wins this one from the comments. I don't know if you guys can see that clearly. It's picking for us. The winner is Walter Ryan. I hope a great collector wins this. I own this set and it was super hard to find in my area. Well, Walter, if you decide that you want to hand it to somebody, let me know. The next one for the comments was the Street Tuners here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Street Tuners, which was Sicko. Let's figure out who wins the Street Tuners. Oh, and by the way, 409 commenters on Street Tuners. That was pretty good. I think that was a record at the moment. Let's see here. Let's figure out who wins the Street Tuners. Rike476. He says, wow, that's an awesome set. And Rike, you are right. And Rike, you have won. Come on down. Get your Street Tuners. The next set, there was 2 of these in a row. It's the Gran Turismo white card. So we're going to pick 2 of those in a row. So the first one is going to go to Alan Acosta, who says, My favorite castings are the Mitsubishi Lancer, Evo, and 4GT and Corvette, Stingray, BMW M4. Basically the whole set is what he likes. Well, Alan, congratulations, buddy. You have won the first set. I'm writing that down because I'm going to have to pick one more from this set. So we're going to pick another winner. Let's start me up here. This is for the second set of white card. Caleb Masula, who says, I like the McLaren. Well, Caleb, you're going to get it. I think we might have one more winner from the Cool Classics as well. Let's see which one this one is here. The next set was the Zamax set. We had 306 commenters on that one. Let's see here. There's the Zamax set. Garrett Matthews. There you go, Garrett. The duster is hot. Well, the hot duster is coming to you. Congratulations. The next one here is the Cool Classics, which had, check this out, guys, 445 comments on the Cool Classics. And I just pulled these up just now, so you got a good shot at winning these. This is the one with the 5-car with the Datsun. The first winner is Chasing Diecast Cars. I'm writing that down. Chasing Diecast Cars. Congratulations, you won the first set. And they say, wow, these are really nice. Love them wheels in the Spectre Frost colors. So there's going to be one more winner from the Cool Classics case. We're going to start that. Here's set number 2 going out to G. Showen. G. Showen? Would love to have those. Well, guess what, G. Showen? You won those. So you're going to get them. The next winner here with 383 comments was the Cargo with the 2 Ford GTs, or the 2 Ford Transit Golfs. Christopher Miller. Christopher Miller says, love the VWs. Huge fan. Lots of customizing options. Well, Christopher, you're going to get a set of Cargo sent to you next week. Congratulations, my man. The next winner was for the incredible Fast and Furious. And we had 400, check this out, this is a new record. 493 commenters on the Fast and Furious. Let's check out who won that bad boy. And the winner is Davin Aiden. That's a pretty cool addition. Hope it's coming to my country soon. Well, guess what? I'm going to mail it to you, so it is coming to your country. That's a great win right there. We've only got 2 more. One of them's the Super, and then the other one is this one right here. It's the Team Transport. We had 457 comments on the Team Transport. And this was the two that are going to the commenter, was the Porsche Outlaw and the Skyline. So, let's see who won the team. Brian Beatty, who says, let's see, I think he means great set as always, need 2 from my new set. Well, Brian, you're going to get them. They're coming to you. And then finally, the winner of the Super Porsche. My lighting's kind of bad in here. I apologize for that, guys. The winner of the Super Porsche is Jeff Smitley. It's just a beautiful Super. Hope to get the full set as a RLC member. Good luck, everyone. Well, Jeff, you're at least getting a Super Porsche. I'm sending it to you. Thank you so much, guys. I'm going to do a summary, and then be sure to get a hold of me. Thank you so much for following us. Thanks so much for commenting. It's been a blast.
Thank you.
Okay, I want to be just showing just real quick who all won what one more time so it's very clear. Rike 476, congratulations, Street Tuners are coming your way. Alan Acosta and Caleb Masula, congratulations, you got Gran Turismo, the white carded Walmart. Garrett Matthews, you got a Zamac set coming to you. In Toy, you're getting a Forza Retro Entertainment. Christopher Miller, you're getting this particular set of the cargo carriers from Car Culture. Then David Aiden, you're getting a Fast and Furious set. So sick. You said you didn't know if it was coming to your country, but I'm going to mail it to you. I don't know what country that is, but hopefully it doesn't cost $200 to ship it. G. Shawan, you won a Cool Classics pink card set. And then Chasing Diecast Cars, you wanted the other pink card back set. Jeff Smitley, you were a huge winner today. The Super Porsche is yours. Everybody's dying. They wish it was them. Silver Bull won the complete set of cargo carriers with the Volkswagen Sun again. Great win, Silver Bull. Brian Beatty, you won half of Team Transport E. And then Alex Taro, 2000, you won the other half of the Team Transport. Walter Ryan, you won the remainder of the Gran Turismo Black Carded. Lars Weatherby, Fast and Furious, it's all you. Monster Pop Hunter, you won a Forza Retro Entertainment set. Caesar, you won a complete 8-car black carded Walmart only Gran Turismo. Mikhail Randolph, you won the other Zamac set. Smoking hot. Rob Nico's Corner, I'm going to send the corner a white carded Gran Turismo. And then the last two winners today were Criminal 164th, who stole my Street Tuners, and Turbo Seth, who turboed his way to an orange carded Car Culture L. Cool Classics L case, I'm sorry. There you go, guys. I had an absolute blast doing this for you. I hope you guys had fun. Stay tuned into the channel because this is not all we're going to give away. We're going to keep doing it because it's so much fun, and we have other things planned for you guys as well. Unboxings, we got some track stuff coming up. We got some Fast and Furious stuff coming up. So thank you so much. Have a great weekend. Congratulations, all the winners. And don't forget, Charles M., you're a winner too. Thank you guys. Bye. Wheel Collectors is out.